For the project, me as a board member, I really learn a lot of management, which is very important nowadays to take culture background into consideration, but also people's goals in life. And so that's a very, very important factor of all of this. And also to get more familiar with unknown stuff, because we at school only get to learn the theoretical knowledge and not really the applied. And so this gives us the opportunity to actually apply our theoretical knowledge.
I think communication is very much important for the future of the industry. You can have a great idea, but if you're not able to communicate it properly to the world, that idea will ultimately sink. That's just the harsh reality of things. So really being able to not only think of great ideas, but being able to rally people around you to know that that is the way to go, I think that would be very important. And I think communicating that, and of course within aerospace, it's a worldwide industry. So being able to communicate with people from different backgrounds, different countries, that's very important.
There's a very nice Edu student community where you can propose all your questions, especially also with downloading or having problems with software or requesting software. You will get an answer in an hour. It's not that you have to wait for 24 hours, it's always in an hour. It's super helpful, it keeps also more efficient, and which really helps the workflow a lot. And also keeps you motivated, because I have to say, when having to wait 48 hours for an answer, it's not helpful. You want to go on, you want to learn stuff, and waiting for an answer is not very helpful. So it's very nice. There's a lot of feedback also from people and also input. Nowadays, as a starting student and you want to work at your first job, it's most of the time you're not taking us very seriously because you don't know a lot of things about the topic itself, and now also having previous knowledge with this software, which is also used in the industry, will help a lot.
My future hopefully lies in aerospace. So I think having already experience here with the structures on how the rocket works and how those interact with each other, either with the motor or with the electronics, that sets you up pretty well to already know how the system works, and that can be of great use for the future. And I also have a great interest in composites, so already knowing how I can lay up a material, how I can manufacture it, set up a vacuum bag and so forth, I think is of great use to me in the future.